أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
Does man not see that we created him from a sperm drop? Then, behold, they openly challenge us. Who is it that replaced the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with laws from themselves and made principles, laws, and values that Allah has never authorized? Who deemed it better to follow his own whims, customs, and traditions over the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and methodologies and laws? Who thought that the religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is nothing but rituals that are performed in words that are repeated, then continue to do what he wants in his life? It is you, O man. You are the one so full of arrogance that you thought that no one will overcome you. You are the one that followed your whims and refused the orders of your master. Why haven't you asked yourself who created you? You who was once a drop of weak water without substance. You who was born without any ability or strength, unable to even sustain himself. Have you asked yourself who blessed you with all these favors? Who is the one that subjected the whole universe for your benefit? Who is the one that made for you a methodology and law that you follow in ease, confidence, and assurance? It is Allah, the ruler of the universe, whose mercy encompasses everything, but man is yet full of challenge.